Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio device in this BMW X4. So the first thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. If you go over to your iDrive, your audio controller, whatever you want to call it, and you click on telephone, you've got Bluetooth menu there, click on Bluetooth menu, and there you can either select a phone if there's somebody already in the car, or add new device. Click add new device. You also need to make sure, if you can't find any of those, just go to that screen and make sure Bluetooth there's a tick in the box. So there we go, BMW 45337. Click on that. Comes up here. Compare this with the number on the Bluetooth device, 581827. That's it. Click OK and click pair there. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. It's now checking the passkey, and I think it'll come up with yes it does, with whatever you want, telephone 1 and Bluetooth audio. So there's ticks in both those, and the tick in the Bluetooth audio is important because that's where it's going to stream audio later. So we now need to just turn down to accept and connect and click OK. That's it all connected there.